Hi, my name is Shea Obasi. How are you today? I hope you're doing great. Okay, so today I just want to take an opportunity to answer another question that I keep getting from people who want to come to Canada and become permanent residents through the study routes. So a lot of people that are asking that they have study gaps of up to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years, and that they have agents who have told them that they are not liable to study just because they have study gaps. The truth is, no matter your study gaps, you can still come to Canada to study. I had a 10-year study gap when I came to study, and yes, there are colleges that will not probably take you if you have more than 5 years of study gap, but there are so many schools in Canada, including colleges and universities, that will take you whether you have a study gap or not. So whether you're 40 years old, you have a 5-year study gap, a 10-year study gap, do not despair. You can still come to Canada to study and then use that as a route to permanent residence. So I hope that answered that. Take care of yourself now. Bye.